Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I do not know what is going on in my brain, but I have not shared the May Simply Earth recipe box, so that is what I'm sharing today. If you're not familiar with Simply Earth, it's one of our favorite essential oil companies just because they do everything right from sourcing their oils to pricing. They have full transparency on their GCMS reports and how they test their oils, where they get them, and their prices are really good. This is their monthly subscription. It's a DIY recipe box. Each month is something new and they're seasonal. The value is always way more than the price of the box, which is $44.99. This month the value is $183.69. The theme this month is hair care, which is cool. Rosemary has been proven to be just as effective, if not more effective, than the clinical or the medical prescription for hair loss. I forget what the name of it was. It starts with an M. I will put it that study down below, but rosemary is super great. This month we're getting 2 blends and 2 singles. So Head Soother is hoe wood, lavender, and frankincense essential oils. Side note, this one smells really good. It's very calming. It's grounding. It's not just like peppermint to help you with like analgesic. It's like a grounding, really good blend for headache. Anyways, I have all 4 of these essential oils. So if you are not already aware, I give away oils every week on my email list. I'll put that link down below, or just go to torianora.com and a little pop-up box will prompt you to put your email in. So you can subscribe and hopefully win some oils. Good Vibes is the next blend. This has been one of my favorite blends for a long time. It is a blend of clary sage, which I just love clary sage, geranium, another one I love, blended with oils, lavender, lemon, and hoe wood. So it's just kind of floral, but more of a grounding type of floral too. Next is spearmint essential oil. This one I like because it's still the same uplifting, a lot of the same properties as peppermint, but it just smells a little bit sweeter. Spearmint gum has that sweetness to it, just smells really good and fresh. And then lastly, rosemary, which I talked about already. Rosemary is really good for hair products and helping with hair growth and new growth and length. And again, I'll put that study down below. It's super powerful. Rosemary is also just like, smells so good. It's like a spa. It's in that family with lavender, where if you do like a lavender, eucalyptus, rosemary, peppermint, those core oils, if you're diffusing any or all of those, it's just such a good spa vibe. I'll share the recipes next, and then I'll share what else we get in the box. You always get labels, so you can label all of your products that you make. This is the little booklet too, going to be explaining just a couple of things. So along with these monthly recipe boxes, they also come out with seasonal DIY boxes, which is not monthly reoccurring, but it's just a box you can go on and purchase. And it could be anything from candles to, I have one that I'm going to make today on face cleansing bars, which is really cool and great for travel. So they have that option too. That one is a bigger box that you're making usually a larger quantity of one thing, where this is you're getting essential oils and you're getting things to make a bunch of different recipes. So that makes sense. Here are the recipe cards. There's 6 each month. Make sure you're reading front and back. Sometimes the recipe carries on to the back, and then on the other ones that don't, it has a ton of extra information. And I love this one always because it gives you a summary of what you're getting as far as oils go, and just like a quick guide on safety. I'm really big on safety because we should know what we're using and how to use them. But this one, so for example, soothes head discomfort and calms, which I noted earlier. General safety, dilute before using on skin. Kids safe 2+ when diluted properly. It's pregnancy safe, it is not cat safe, and it is dog safe. And that doesn't mean that you can just put it on your dog, but if you're going to be diffusing it or using it on yourself and then being around your pets, generally you're going to be okay. Cats are more sensitive than dogs, but I can go into that in depth later, or maybe in another video. But the first recipe is Good Hair Conditioner Bar. I've tried shampoo and conditioner bars before. I have very thick and long hair, so I usually don't prefer that, but I do like it for travel because you're not going to have to worry about your shampoo and conditioner leaking out and making a huge mess. It's just really great for that. That's why I'm really excited about the face cleansing bars too, just because travel and that just makes it super easy. So there's a conditioning bar. And this is what we're going to be using. It's conditioning emulsifiers, so you're getting this in the box. And cetyl alcohol, This is going to be used, I think, in a couple of recipes too. Those are the 2 extras. Did I already share this? Sorry, my brain is everywhere. This is argan oil. We're also getting and using in that conditioner bar recipe. And this is rosemary, mint, hair, and beard oil. So this one is going to be using the argan oil, some fractionated coconut oil, which will come when you order and subscribe to this box. You get what's called a big bonus box your very first month, and then every 6 months after, and that will have coconut oil, solid coconut oil, almond oil, beeswax, some empty bottles, and a lot of things that you'll need to make some of these too. So you'll need a 1 ounce bottle from home, but you're going to mix all of that together to make a beard and hair oil. Soft and shiny conditioning hair mask. It's going to be the conditioning emulsifier, argan oil, cetyl alcohol, beeswax, coconut oil, and from home you'll just need water and then some preservative. I think that's optional though if you want it to last longer. New Meadows roll-on, so you'll get a recipe for a roller and you'll get empty rollers in your big bonus box to put those in. Daybreak diffuser blend, so also you'll get empty bottles like this, and you'll just mix up your own little diffuser blend too. And then lastly is a Control natural hair styling wax. So this one is going to be coconut oil, beeswax, cetyl alcohol, and then 20 drops good vibes oil. And you can swap that out if you want to use your rosemary for that one or whatever. You can swap out essential oils typically. And then from home you'll need a 2 ounce jar, and so you're going to melt all of that together basically over a double boiler and then pour it into your jar, and then you'll have your own styling wax. And I'm excited about that. I have not made a hair gel or styling wax for my husband yet. He just tries to find the most natural ones store, but maybe if I can nail down, he's picky, so I'll have to really practice, I think, and get the right consistency, but maybe we can nail one down and I can just make it. Okay, that is it for May. Let me know what you're most excited about. Again, I'm giving all of these away on my email list because I already had all of them. 2 things that I forgot to mention also: when you use my code ToriNoraFree, which will be on the screen or down below, you get a $45 gift card back to use on future purchases. I cannot speak. Simply Earth also gives 13% back to help end human trafficking, which is awesome. They work with a lot of different nonprofits. You can go on their website to learn more about that. And then lastly, I promise you get access to an essential oils course where you can learn more about the basics and how to use essential oils if you are into educating yourself more. So that's really a cool benefit of being a subscriber too. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.